What's up with y'all, man? It's your boy Big J 97. You can see today we're doing it a little different, you know what I'm saying? I got the visuals on me. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me if I be looking at that screen, cause you know I ain't too used to filming like this, but you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. But we got them we got them joints in, man. We got them Omi Royals. Hey, only 500, so I got one other 500. So funny story how I got these though. So if you follow, you know, the old mirrors drop, right? The old mirrors, the blue on blue patent leather joints. So I tried to get them, but like they shorted them on the 13s. You know what I'm saying? So they ain't have enough 13s, and this just happened to drop the Friday after those dropped. So I got these. I got the limited pair instead of the other pair. So I ain't even tripping. You know what I'm saying? And they sent me a couple other free things. You know, they had the coupon for the slides, so I got slides, two hats, and a wallet. I'm gonna show that to y'all first. Before we're gonna open everything before we get to the shoes and shit. We got a hat right here. Simple little hat. I'm gonna get these to my girl though, cause the way my head set up, I can't wear it. But yeah, it's a cool little hat. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all how crazy it look. Show y'all how crazy this shit look. I got over the strap. They big cause I wear 8. You feel me? Yeah. Oh, look at y'all side. Okay. That's one of them. That's one hat. This one go with the shoes. This blue one go with the shoes. So we got another one. Red and black. I like the way the camera blurred the background. That's dope. Red and black. See, it got the little, like, I don't know what you call that. Like, I don't know what you call that, but like the little rips and shit. Oh yeah, we got this little wallet. I got one of these though. This is what my everyday wallet is, but it's not the Omi one. It's just the, you know, Amazon. Pops gave it to me. But yeah, it's basically the same thing as mine. Little card holder wallet with the money clip and a logo on the back. It's hard. Alright, we're gonna do the slides now. The box came a little fucked up, but you know, whatever. Omi on the top, Omi on the sides, reloaded on this side. There you go, right here. I ain't even try these joints on. I just looked at them and, you know, whatever. But there we go, right there. Okay, got the little logo on the scrap. This how you tighten and loosen them. Yeah. So you just set it to how big your foot is, type shit, and just re-scrap them. Cool little slide. Is it a logo? Yeah, it's a logo on there. Logo on there. Reloaded across the bottom. Yeah. Cool little slides. I'm trashing this box though. This box ain't it. I might throw them joints on today, just to have them on the type shit. They go to slides. So we got 2 hats, wallet, some slides. The hats and the wallet, the wallet, and the slides was free. The slides came free with the had a coupon that if you bought the old mirrors, you got slides for free. But since they ain't have my size, so they gave me the Royals, but they still let me get the slides and added 2 hats. So, real nigga, real nigga. All right, here we go. You already know the reloaded on the side. The Omi. I ain't gonna show you the shoe. Top of the box. Y'all see my little. Yeah, okay. I might do videos like this all the time. I kind of like this, being in front of the camera type shit. Okay, that's enough fucking around. All right, let's go. So we got blue laces. Yeah, got them blue laces. Dust bag is, we on them. I actually use these though. I put the shoes in a dust bag, like if I'm not wearing them. Why, I don't know, but I just do, bro. Boom, bow. Get in now. We'll take them both out. We'll take them both out. Look at these. Look at it. This is like the, how many blue pair is that, bro? Hold up. We got those. The other ones. There's a lot of blueness coming out. Just show them all real quick. So we got cookies, we got Hamptons, we got Royals. Or I'm at like 9 pair now. I got the Uptowns too, but that's more of a different things. Different strokes for different folks. Alright, so look, this will make this one this what Omi said make this one a little more exclusive, right? So instead of it being an aged sole, it's supposed to be a white sole. It's supposed to be a white sole, which would have been hard though. Would have been hard. I would have bought that too. If you drop it, I get it. And this was supposed to be white. Look at the leather on them boys. The Reloaded was supposed to be white. Yeah, the Reloaded was supposed to be white. I think that's it. I don't think I ever seen one with the color stitching around this part. Or maybe I have, but it just like, it blended in type shit. Let's see. Oh, that's leather. Okay. Yeah, that's leather. Look at that. Let me take y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a slow-mo all the way across the shoe. Just fucking around. But look, we got the blue Omi on the tongue, you know it. The blue skeleton on the back, you know it. I think they just put the same insoles in each shoe, cause all of them got this one. The color don't change too much. So. Now what are we thinking? White laces or blue laces? White laces or blue laces? You know, just giving a little inspection or whatever. Reload it on the bottom. Only in the center. Lightning. That's a camera for your ass, boy. That's a camera. Lightning on the side. Big lightning. Yeah, man. I don't think I ain't gonna do the whole lace up shit. You know I always lace up the shoes in the video. But yeah. I think I'm gonna stick white laces. We got enough blue on the shoe. But we also got enough white on the shoe. But I don't think the blue ain't gonna look right. So we just gonna stick white laces. Yeah, man. To the next video. It's your boy Big Jane 97. You know, like, comment, subscribe if you want to, because at the end of the day, you're gonna do what you want to do. And you know what I'm saying, while you doing that or whatever, like, you know, like, go tell your grandma to tell her side man to tell his granddaughters to tell their kids to come over here and subscribe. Because if it's your grandma's side man and his daughter probably like the age of my mama type shit, then that means his kids is like the age of me. So we need them to come over here. We need to come over here and get with the program, you know what I'm saying? The man with the plan. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Big Jane 97 with the shoe wall in the motherfucking back. I'm out of here like a 1987 Cadillac. '87, nigga. '87. Nah, for real though. I'm gonna holler at y'all in the next video, man. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to, because at the end of the day, you're gonna do what you want to do. To the next one. I'm out.